Hi everyone, welcome back to Amazing Kid Creators. In this video, I will be showing you how to work the 33-piece Swiss Army knife. So, I'll start with the easy ones. Right over here, you can just take this off. And this is a toothpick. And then, right over here, this is a pen that actually works. And then you just slide it back in like that. And then this one right over here is tweezers. And then you're gonna just close them back up and put them in. And now, so that's all the tiny little things on the edges. There's 3 on the edges. I'll start with another one. So right over here is a corkscrew or a wine bottle opener. And then in the middle right over here, you just turn it. And there's a tiny, tiny little screwdriver. And which you can just put back in here and just keep turning. Might take a little bit, but there you go. You get it back in like that. And you just close it. And then I'll start with this side. So in the very, very back, there's this. It's a smaller knife. Then you can just close it up again. And then here is a much bigger knife. And then there's also a saw. It's like a double-edged one, so it's very, very sharp. Let's put that in here like that. And then there's a magnifying glass. It works very well, actually. And then over here is a screwdriver. This big one is pliers. They go open and close, and you can also cut wires with it. Going pretty sharp. And then there's also right here is some scissors. Those are also some good things. And then right over here is this edge can cut metal, and this is to like make your nails softer. And that's that. And then there's also then there's this one is a measuring. I can measure what you've got. And then there's also, well, I think that's so that's everything in the first row over here. And then in the back, there's not much in the back, but there's a couple things. So there's this one. This is for sewing. And then I showed you this one. Then over here is, I think it's for crocheting. And then this, I don't know what this is for, but I think it's for like opening something to go around and just open it up. And then over here, I'm not sure what this is for either, but most of the things on the back, they're not that important. And then, oh yeah. And then right over here, there are some bottle openers as well. There's like a sharper one and a bigger one. The color's pretty simple. And then, yeah, look, that's everything about the 33-piece Swiss Army knife. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video.